Check out this room tour at Orlando Hilton Bonnet Creek Resort. It's a Hilton property offsite Disney. Hey there, you're listening to Jenna Loves Magic, where we chat things like tips for planning Disney World trips, including what to do and food to eat. If that sounds good to you, subscribe for more Disney vacation tips. Now let's get to it. So I'm going to give you a room tour at the Signia Hilton Bonnet Creek, but first I'm going to show you some of the hallways. I didn't get a full lobby tour for this resort that's pretty close to Disney because they were under massive construction at the time, which would have been nice to know before the trip. But anyways, we ended up with connecting rooms. You can check out my other YouTube video on how that came to be. The bottom line is they said that you can't actually guarantee rooms, even if you're told you can guarantee rooms on the phone. So we're happy with the room. Otherwise, I felt like the pool view at this Signia Hilton was beautiful. You could actually see all the way to Disney. The bathrooms provided plenty of space, and when we switched rooms to our connected rooms, we actually had an even nicer, more updated bathroom. But overall, the resort at the Hilton Bonnet Creek is super clean. The amenities were nice, the beds were comfortable, and we loved the views of Disney. Check out more videos and posts from Jenna Loves Magic if you are planning your Walt Disney World trip and want some tips and tricks. And if you're a foodie, make sure to visit me on my food channel, Sip Bite Go, because there you can get my recipe for smoked turkey legs that are basically a Disney copycat recipe. I'll teach you how to smoke them, how to bake them in the oven, or how to air fry turkey legs just like you'd get at Disney. That's all for you foodies there. Well, until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you here next time, friend. Cheers!